Hello everyone and welcome back to the Hybrid Friends. You maybe already watched the big video about doing BOM and hardware reviews that I did together with Steve. To make it a bit easier, we decided to split up the 1 hour video in a few smaller ones so that you can concentrate on the parts you may want to rewatch or want to look again. So enjoy the short video coming about the hardware reviews and what we're thinking. And yeah, leave us comments, leave us likes, subscribe our channel. I said if you have questions, just comment below, write us on LinkedIn, or if you're working with us as a team already, just ping us directly. So have a great one, enjoy, and thank you. But let's talk about memory first. So normally you would like to cover the memory of your virtual machines. So normally, depending, it's now 1:2, 1:1 ratio, depending if your machine can use resizable memory or not. But there are some requirements in addition. We normally check, Steve. So what would that requirement for memory? What we would check?
Yeah, so again, you're looking at maybe around about the 8 GB mark just for the operating system to be able to run, but also there's a recommendation that when it comes to your storage, if you have a cache tier, that for every terabyte of cache in your storage, you have 4 GB of RAM that can be used for that caching mechanism. So again, so if you had 2 TB of cache per node, you would need to look for 8 GB for your operating system, 8 GB to cover your cache. So straight away, without running any workloads, you need to be running with 16 GB of memory. So we normally sort of see customers are normally coming around about the 256 gig per node mark. That's normally sort of what I'm seeing customers come in with. But again, that's depending on the hardware. That's fully scalable up to even terabytes of memory per node.
So in general, we will also talk about the chassis sizes, but
Yeah.
if you do not have any concerns when it comes to rack space, what we encountered is that a 2U system or a larger system is a much better met for requirements and for expandability than the 1U systems like the Dell AX 650 or the 680, I think it with HP. So if you're not in a concern of having a high density requirement, often it's a better use to have the larger systems. In edge scenarios, perfectly fine to having two systems running in your store, maybe on 1U with not that much requirements. You often also see two systems on 1U with the SE350 from Lenovo, but it's often a data center we're seeing the requirement for or growing, especially when we're later talking about storage, that we would need larger chassis to have more or to have more space to grow, and especially also have the larger motherboards in this case with 2 more or 4 more memory slots to add additional memory later on.
Okay.
Maybe from an investment point of view, it looks like a bit more expensive in the first place, but on the long run, if you need to purchase a new server in 2 to 3 years and it's no longer available, either you need to get something which is still in stock at a partner or so, maybe with a limited support. You need to buy something on the second market, or you maybe need to buy a whole new cluster when you want to have the same nodes or the same systems throughout your cluster. So going larger with more expansion space is a good choice here. Hey everyone, thank you for watching that video. And if you liked it, subscribe our channel, there will be more. And yeah, leave us comments with questions, topics you want to see, and yeah, enjoy your time. Thank you so much. Bye.